Hey guys, welcome back to the Teen Techers. I'm Abhishek.
And I'm Rishabh. So today we're going to make a IC555 timer blinking circuit.
Today's episode is going to be quick, so let's get to the demo. This is the circuit diagram of our 555 timer circuit. So this is the circuit of the 555 timer circuit, and we'll see how it looks when we add the power source. As you can see, when we add the power source, the LED starts blinking. This is due to the capacitor. The value of the capacitor is directly connected with the frequency of the blinking. As the value of the capacitor decreases, the frequency increases. We'll now see an example. So the capacitor we're using right now is 1 microfarad. The capacitor we'd used before was 4.7 microfarad. So the value is lower, and we'll see how this affects the blinking. As you can see, the blinking is much faster than before. Now we'll use a capacitor of 47 microfarad and see the difference. As you can see that the blinking is much slower right now because the value of the capacitor is that much high. Now we'll see how to build this circuit from scratch.
So let's start making the circuit now. I'm going to put the 555 timer first. After that, I'll take the 100k resistor and put it on node 8 and node 7. Now I'll take the 10k resistor and put it on node 7 and node 6. Now take a small wire and put it on node 2 and node 6. Now take the capacitor and put the positive end on node 2 and the negative end on node 1. Now finally the LED. Put the negative end on node 1 and the positive end on node 3. Now finally the battery snapper. The negative end should go beside the LED and the positive end should go beside the 100k resistor. Now let's put the battery and see. As you can see, the circuit is working just fine.